Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This week we've been doing quite a lot of reviewing on TWS earphones bought from the Temu website. And today we've got the MD158s, which are TWS gaming earphones. The charge case with these earphones are more robust than previous models and features a transparent lid, allowing you to view the Wolf Eye style charging lights on the earbuds. It charges via USB Type-C in 90 minutes and provides 2 full V charges of the earphones. The design of the earbuds are certainly unique, featuring a boomerang style stem. They are by far the longest in this test group, but they do provide a surprisingly good acoustic seal and very comfortable fit, though those touch controls are overly sensitive and prone to accidental triggers. The audio quality is a mixed bag. The bass is quite mild, even on tracks where it should be prominent, and those high frequencies also lack energy. The mid-range tends to overpower the rest of the spectrum, while gaming mode is intended to improve the experience, but it felt largely ornamental, and we actually didn't notice any difference when that gaming mode was indeed selected. The microphone quality?
Microphone was absolutely rubbish. As you can tell, my voice is very much muffled. Not only that, quite choppy. Very basic mics and not good for voice calls or video calls too. So there's no point even talking about ENC, these earphones. They're absolutely rubbish when it comes to any type of voice calls.
The touch controls? They are certainly a mixed bag. We've got the usual 1 press on either earphone for play, pause, call answering, 2 presses on either earphone for the volume adjustment, which is the opposite. Again, when you press the volume down, it turns the volume up, and it's the same for the opposite side. But they did get the track selection correct. 3 presses on either earphone for the previous and next track selections, with 4 presses on either earphone to switch between music and game mode. For me, the audio quality is not stand out enough. They may be good for a backup pair of earphones, to throw in your locker at work, but certainly won't be my preferred choice. The case will charge the earbuds in just under 1 hour 10 minutes, with a full music playback time of 2 hours 30 minutes, using 100% volume consistently. Yeah, not too bad, but however, for £3.48, they serve as a competent backup pair of earphones for podcasts or casual office use. Now if you want to check out the link for these earphones, I've left a handy little link in the video description down below. Yeah, it's cheeky, so why not give it a press? And if you've actually got these earphones, comment on your experience using them in the video description. And if you want to, suggest some budget earphones that you bought off the Temu website that you find are pretty good, and I might take a look myself and review them. And not only that, give you a shout out. But it'd be very pleasing if you like and share this video wherever possible. Not only that, subscribe, will you? Sharing's caring. Bearing in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now speaking of uploads, there's 2 videos showing on screen just now. You can click either one of them, but in the meantime, hope to see you guys very soon. Peace.